This is a quick video on how to replace the coolant reservoir on the 2012 Range Rover Sport. Pretty sure it's the same for all years down to 2006 though. I found it easiest to remove the headlight. To do so, you'll need to remove the front grille. You've got 4 tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you got these 2 on the bottom as well. And then once you push these tabs down, again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, plus each of the ones on the back, then you'll be able to just pull this out. And then once that's done, as far as removing the headlight goes, you've got these tabs here. You just push up, get them lined up with these holes, do it on both sides, pull out the outlet, and then this comes right out. Then as far as the coolant reservoir tank goes, you'll start off by taking off this clip from this top hose here, and that's quite simple to do, whatever you've got in your garage. Then you do have this hose on the bottom, and this one's going to be a little harder to get to, so ended up going with these. I think these are 20 inches, but I was able to reach down there and then take the clip that looks exactly like this but on a bigger hose off as well. And then I ended up removing the headlight because it can kind of be a pain to get to and move off. And so this allows you to stick your hand into this bay here and then finagle your hand in there and jiggle it around and move it around to get that hose off. Then you also do have 2 8mm bolts, which I've got here. It's going to look like this. Got 2 of these. Those are going to be right here on those 2. And so I used a 8mm with extensions. I got that off real quick. And then the last part holding it on would just be this little stub here. And that sits directly into this little bay. You just pull it off that, and that's quite simple. And then don't forget to disconnect the sensor down here. You don't want to rip this off. So that's the last part. Actually, I'd start off by doing that once you get the headlight off. That way you don't accidentally overpull the wires. But that's what you're looking at. I'm about to throw this in. Putting it in is the easier part. But yeah, hope this is helpful to somebody.